just not too high off the ground. And then when I hit the ground, I explode. Okay, so it's okay, and one really important thing to keep in mind is, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have an intermediate to advanced jump rope move. We're doing the BOXERS double under crisscross. In today's video, we're going to perform what's often called the Sugar Ray double under crossover variation. So if you can do a double under, which is where you jump and the rope makes 2 rotations under your feet, if you can do that, as well as the regular 2-foot crisscross, where you cross the rope in front and uncross, you can work on this BOXERS double under crisscross. Okay, so let me demonstrate the move first at basically a regular speed, and then I will slow it down. So I'm gonna first cross. So with this move, I'm performing a cross my arms, and then I'm going to uncross my arms and cross them again. When doing this move, you perform a cross of the arms. Notice I'm not jumping too high off the ground. When performing the arm cross, you don't need to jump too high off the ground to clear the rope. But when I land on the ground, I will explode into the air so that I can perform an uncross and a cross before my feet touch the ground again. So what that looks like is this. Cross. As I'm crossing, I'm jumping over the rope, just not too high off the ground. And then when I hit the ground, I explode. Okay, so it's okay, and one really important thing to keep in mind is when you cross your arms, when you're uncrossing the rope, you don't want to bring your arms too far apart. Doing so shortens the rope. So you cross the rope, you uncross your arms just enough so that the rope can pass under your feet before crossing your arms again. All right, let me show you that again. I'll try to slow it down as I'm doing it. Okay, so notice the jump height when I do the cross, and then when I explode off the ground. Okay? So I'm doing these rather slowly. Okay? Now there's a faster one. Let me show you what this looks like from the side so you can see the jump height. Remember, when I'm doing the initial cross of the arms, not jumping too high off the ground, but when I do land, then I explode, okay? Okay, so give this move a try. If you can do a double under and you can do the basic 2-foot crisscross, try to do this BOXERS double under crisscross variation, often referred to as the Sugar Ray double under crossover. So we perform a cross, and then as we cross the rope, we just jump enough off the ground to clear the rope, and then when we land on the ground, we try to explode straight up, all the while uncrossing and then crossing your arms again. And remember, don't cross your arms too far apart or the rope will get stuck in your legs. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, show you that again. Well, I cleared the rope that time, but I didn't have enough time to perform the cross. So I was able to uncross the rope, but because I brought my arms so far apart, I didn't have time to bring them back together again. So we want to keep our upper arms relatively close to the size of our body. when we uncross the rope. Okay, like so.